So, before we get started, some overview. Geegpay is a platform that basically gives you um, a bank account that you can receive dollars in. When you receive the dollars, you can sell the dollars to the system and get paid in naira. So, let me show you how that works real quick. So, let's say you have some dollars here. When you click on convert funds, you can basically convert your dollars to naira and withdraw the money to your naira account. Everyone is using it because they are also using black market rate. So instead of paying you 400 and something naira for $1, they're paying as high as 740. This changes, by the way, depending on how good or how bad the dollar to naira rate is for that week or that day. So that's why everybody is using it. It gives you a bank account, a US bank account that you can receive dollars in and then withdraw straight to your Naira account in Nigeria. But yeah, I'm assuming you already have an account and you have the bank details and everything. If you don't have an account, you can go to geekpay.africa to set up one. I'm also going to leave this link in the description of this video for you to click on it and sign up. When sign up is free. They're going to ask you for you know, details like any government means of identification, like your NIN, national ID, driver's license, and any of them really, or international passport. So once you've sorted that out and you've set up an account, it will look like this. Now, let's go to Upwork. For Upwork, if you want to set up payments, click on your profile icon, then click on Get Paid here. Once you've clicked on that, you are going to see this. This is where you add your payment method. So again, click on your profile icon, then settings, then get paid. Now, I'm already here. I already have my Geekpay account open. My bank details are here. If I click here, it will show everything now. So I'm going to click on add method. You want to click on direct to US bank, USD, because this is a US bank account pretty much. So click on setup and then it's going to ask me again for my password and all of that. So I'm going to click on that. Now, the account holder name, that's my name. Then what kind of account is it? It's an individual checking account that has, of course, a routing number. So for me to get the routing number, you can click here to get it. All right, and then it pulls up the account details. So add account, and boom. So it says your bank account has been added. This is the last digit of the account number, and it will become active in 3 days. So it will take 3 days for Upwork to review these account details and then approve it. One thing I would like to let you know is that if you're setting this up, make sure that the name on the account belongs to you. Like this is my name. It matches what the account details are. Also, if you look here, see, this is also my name. So make sure that the account holder names are the same. And then for this part, you click on checking account, and then there's the part that says, I attest I'm the full owner, blah blah blah. You go ahead and click on that. So it says to double check your account information so you don't send money to the wrong account, and save. So that's it. That's pretty much it. So in the next 3 days, this is going to be available and ready for me to use. So once I come here in the next 3 days, I can click on get paid now and I'll be able to select that account number. It's not here yet. That's why you don't see it here. It's not been verified yet. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Once you withdraw your money from Upwork, it could take up to 3 days for you to receive it here on Geekpay. So don't panic, no worries. Just wait. Whenever you make a withdrawal, just wait a few days. The money will arrive here eventually. So that's it. That's how to connect your Geekpay account to your Upwork so that you can receive dollars.